We call preg match beware top level star expressions. Okay, so let's just go ahead. I'll look at some examples here. Tell me how many matches there are to this pattern inside the target string. So I'll call preg match all, and I'll give it a pattern. So that's a string with slashes in it. Okay, so slash. I'm going to do something pretty simple. A star B. Okay, and I'm going to look for that in the string. I'm going to hit return, so we're spanning. Oops, I suppose it could be in the PHP mode for this. Preg match all pattern A star B, and then the string Z A B space B B A B A. Okay, how many times does A star B occur in this pattern? Okay. Let me go back and I'm going to have to echo that in a second. A star B, and well, you know, okay, so go ahead and pause and count up, and let's see if we agree. So I count, let's see, Z doesn't match at all. Oh, here we get an A star B, and then we have a space. The B by itself, hey, that's 0 B's followed by an A. So that's a match right there, okay. This B here is a match. This is a match. And then the A isn't followed by any B at all, so that can't be part of a match. So I think I count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's, you know, one way of counting there. And I think that's what we'll get back there. It's a little bit lost, but yep. Preg match all returns 4 matches. And you know, there's these, you see these puzzles being passed around on social media. Here's a bunch of, like, here a little diagram or matchsticks arranged in a grid. How many squares can you count? So yeah, I do realize that, hey, AAB, that you might think, oh, AAB is a match, and then the AB should be a match too, and then just the B by itself should be a match. We'll go ahead and take the way the libraries work is they scan your string left to right looking for matches. When it sees that first A, it sees if it can form a match, and yeah, it can make a match going all the way to B, okay? And then it stops, says, okay, that's our match, done. And then it proceeds from at the end of the B. Okay, that's going to be our paradigm. Okay, so what was I saying again? Beware top level star regular expressions. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the same thing as before, except now I'm just going to match A star. And I'm going to make my input a little bit smaller just to keep us more sane. So ZAA and then a space and then AA, sure, ABA. Okay, so look through there and tell me how many times you can match the pattern A star. So this is, when I say, by the way, a top level star expression, that's what I mean. Something, a regular expression that is something star. It might be a big, long, complicated regular expression in parentheses, star, but at the top level it is a star regular expression, the cleaning star. Yeah, so go ahead and pause and tell me how many you count. So let's see, it looks like here, certainly here's 2 A's, that matches A star, and then these 3 A's and this single A. It looks like maybe 3 matches. And I'm about to hit return, and I'm like, wait a minute. Well, I will hit return. Wait a minute, 7? What do you mean there's 7 matches there? It turns out when you go left to right, what is the beginning of the string? There's, between the opening of the string and the Z, there is the empty string. It's sitting right there, right in front of the Z. I see it. There you are. An empty string matches A star, right? That's 0 A's in a row. So we have 0 A's followed by a Z followed by 2 A's. Okay, so the 0 A's match and the 2 A's match, yeah. So we have an A here, and then this is another match. Okay, great. Then we have the star, or sorry, the space is matched those A's. Then it says, okay, try to find me another match. Hey, right between where I'm starting and the space, yeah, there's an empty string right there. So that's a third. We're up to 3 occurrences. Space, that doesn't match. After the space, we have 0 A's, 1 A, 2 A, 3. Oh yeah, okay, so those 3 A's now form a match. Okay. After all those A's, between where we've just matched up to and the B, oh, there's another match. Okay, and now we're up to the B at that. And now after the B, we get 6. So how am I missing one? Did I miscount? 1, 2. So 1 before the Z, 2, 3 right before the space, 4, 5 before the B, then 6 after the B. Oh, yeah. Okay, 6. And then we've matched up everything so far. We have 0 characters left, and like, oh, those 0 characters, one more match. Okay. So it's a weird way of counting, perhaps, but 7. I probably did not want to count 7 matches here. Okay, that was probably a bunch of things that shouldn't be counted. So we're just left with a warning. When you're calling preg match and its relatives, beware top-level star expressions.